fills out a deposit slip.
Come on.
Yeah, right here, close by.
Come on. Come on, kid.
That's right, and we don't really have access to her account except for to deposit. And, before, Carrie or somebody had said, well, she could say that you, didn't give her a check. And she's always been able to say that because we had, before this, the agreement was that we would give her a cashier's check. And we would mail it to her, and there was no way to track that, you know, if she actually got it and cashed it or not. I lost her.
Who is it?
Tammy. Your sister.
Well, she won't know about them before.
And she was just calling while I was walking earlier today, and I was
Oh,
caught
okay.
her up on what was going on. She might be in a bad